In this video, you will learn how to install a pre-made theme for your website and customize the colors and settings. Themes determine the layout and functionality of your web store and contain all the necessary template files for your site to display to your customers. You can see what your current theme looks like by clicking your username and then selecting Visit Webstore. A default theme is pre-installed on all new accounts, and you can continue using this if you choose, but it will need some customization to match your colors and branding. To open the theme store, navigate to the Webstore menu and click on Theme Editor. You can also click Choose a Theme from the main dashboard page. At the top of the page, you can see the theme that is currently installed, and you can customize it by clicking the Edit Styles button. On the rest of the page, you'll see all the themes that are available to install on your site. At the top are premium themes. These have additional functionality and customization options built into them. Hover over one of the premium themes to see the price and buttons to buy it or demo the theme. Click Demo and a new page will open to a site with the theme installed. It is important to note that the theme doesn't include the images, products, and other data you see in the demo site. Go back to your control panel and scroll further down the page to see the free themes. Again, you can demo these themes, but instead of a buy button, you can just install them straight away. For this video, I'm installing the Crackerjack theme by clicking the Install button. Once it's installed, you can edit it straight away or go back to the theme store. It's important to note that installing a new theme doesn't actually make it active straight away. To make it active, you can click on the Activate button, but you'll probably want to edit the styles first. You also have options to uninstall or delete themes that have previously been installed. Reinstalling a theme undoes all the current customizations, whereas deleting it removes it from your site files. Click Edit Styles and you'll be taken to a new screen with your homepage on one side and the toolbar on the other. The toolbar is broken up into different sections that relate to areas on the page. In this example, we have the body section at the top and color swatches to change the background color, text colors, and upload a background image. In this example, I'm going to make the background color match our logo by typing in the color code, but the changes you make are up to you. Click Save and you'll see the preview updates with our changes. You'll want to go through each of the sections, updating the buttons, text, and other settings to match your branding. Some themes have different settings available, particularly premium themes. Crackerjack has a few options that affect the home page features. You can toggle these settings and then click Save to see how they update your preview. For example, we can turn off the ability to show adverts on the home page, which removes our featured products and banner. We can also change the default sort order for our product listings and the default layout for products. If you haven't already, you can add your social media URLs to the fields provided so that the icons display on the homepage. Once you're happy with your changes, click on the button to activate your theme. You may need to refresh your website cache to see the changes take effect. We can now visit our web store and see our theme active on our site.